What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house. This is a part 2, rebuilding Tesla Model X. We're gonna install the quarter and secure it, pretty much get the car ready for paint. And I want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love. You guys are just rock star. Thank you very much. So enough of this talk and let's get back into this beauty. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this quarter panel. I removed everything, cleaned the whole quarter panel, so we're ready to install the quarter panel. So let's take a closer look. So yeah, I removed the old quarter panel and I primered everything, same color as the body. So everything looks nice and clean. And here's the new quarter panel. And the beauty of this quarter panel, the way Tesla designed it, it's pretty much just slides in there, so this way I don't have to like weld the edges where it's gonna slide in. So let me show you guys. So on this side the quarter just slides in here, and then at the bottom it just slides in here, and then you will put rivets and glue throughout the whole quarter, and then you just put caulking on the edges just to seal it off from the water getting in there, and that's it. It's done pretty much, so no welding necessary. Alright, before I remove the quarter panel, I'm gonna install the door and then close the door to see, make sure my gaps are perfect, and then I'll remove the quarter and then we'll put glue around the edges and secure it for the final. Alright, so the new door got jammed. We painted it inside. So right now I'm gonna transfer all the guts on the new door, and then we're gonna install the door and then test fit, make sure all the gaps are perfect before we secure this quarter. Okay, so I transferred everything to the new door. So now we're gonna install the door. Alright, so everything is installed. Gaps are looking pretty good. Same over here. And then I also installed the tail light just to see, make sure everything looks pretty good as well. So far everything's matching pretty good. So we'll start securing the quarter. We'll remove it right now, put glue over the quarter, and then secure it, and then we'll use rivets to secure it completely. And off to paint it goes, department. So we'll be using this 3M panel bonding glue, and it takes 90 minutes for it to start working. So you still have plenty of time to move around and do whatever you gotta do to secure the quarter. And we'll be using rivets after this. We're starting to put the glue. So we're gonna spread the glue throughout the whole quarter, around the edges, and install the new one. Alright, let's take a look. So yeah, we spread it over the quarter. Then up here I put a sealer so it'll stick to the quarter. Same over here. So yeah, now we're ready to install the quarter. And then put some right here too. That is it. Time to install the quarter now. Alright, so the quarter panel is all secured, so that's how it looks. We put the rivets, and then once we put everything together you can't even see them, the gaps are perfect. And then same over here. We gotta fix this little thing right here, but other than that everything came out nice and clean. So we'll fix that little ding and start prepping the car for paint. And here's all the rivets that we put. So once we put the car together, you won't even see them. And then this one, the rubber piece covers everything, so you won't see anything. And let's go look at the other side. So yeah, once you put everything together, so everything's covered and you can't see anything, so it's a nice clean job comes out. And then up here we got a molding that goes and covers everything as well, so you won't see them, and it's glued, so it's really strong. It ain't going nowhere. So we'll clean everything up and send it to the paint department. Alright, so I sanded this down, so I'm gonna put a little bit of glaze because there's like a small little ding. And let me show you what bundle we use. I know a lot of you been asking what bundle we use. It's a 3M, and then here's the number in case you guys want to order. But so far it's been the best. We tried lots of other bundles, but nothing works as good as this. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but works the best. So this is number 1, and then this is the final, the Dolphin glaze. Here's the number in case you guys want to order it. And same thing, see, this is a final glaze. So this is the 2 best products that we like so far that we've been working with. And then this is the hardener. Any hardener will work. So yep, there you guys go. Alright, so right now I taped everything off. I'm gonna put a seam sealer in here so the water doesn't get inside of the car before we paint. So where I removed the old one, that's where I'm gonna put to cover everything up. And same over here. Let's go take a look at the other side. Yeah, so right here, and then along here. This is look kind of ugly, but I'll make it look slightly prettier. But yeah, this is from the dealer how it looks. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do, but make this a little bit better. Alright, so we put sealer everywhere. Here, on the side, around the back. So we could start painting tomorrow, and today we'll put a little primer right here on that little ding that I repaired. And that's it. We're ready for paint. Alright, quarter panel is installed. We had to do a little body work and we put primer. Same with the door, so everything is done in the back. Right now I gotta take the door apart, remove the molding, the door handle and the mirror, because we're gonna blend the door. And it's going to the paint department. Got the Tesla in the paint department, and let's go take a look. Yeah, we'll start prepping the car and painting today. Alright, we'll mask everything and start prepping the car, and off to the spray booth it goes. Alright guys, so the quarter panel is completely installed and ready to go. So we'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 3. We'll start prepping the car for paint and start shooting it. So you guys don't want to miss on that. So for now, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, still hit the thumbs up. and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.